There are two hormones that dictate whether you feel hungry or not. And remembering them is easy if you think about these guys. Ghrelin, get it, ghrelin, gremlin, increases hunger and is mostly secreted in your stomach lining. That's what makes your stomach growl. He can get pretty voracious. Now leptin decreases hunger and is mostly secreted in your fat cells. He's the calm, cuddly one. Now, if you have too much body fat, your gremlins can get confused and then you may end up feeling hungry even when you're not. That is called leptin resistance, and that is for a different video. Now, one way to keep your ghrelin gremlin in check is to eat protein with every meal, because protein is satiating. That means it keeps you feeling full longer. So no more eating just pastries and Cheerios for breakfast, you. 2 more tips on how to keep your ghrelin and leptin levels in check are in the caption below, so make sure you read them, because they're just as important. If you want 5 fast, easy protein breakfasts that aren't eggs and sausage, DM me protein and I will send you my favorites.